To connect your Xumo box to Wi-Fi, use the remote to navigate to Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi. Scan for your network, enter the password, and connect. For Ethernet, simply plug in the cable to the RJ45 port and enable it under Settings, Network, Ethernet. Note that Ethernet takes priority over Wi-Fi if both are connected. Current firmware supports Wi-Fi 6E and improved Ethernet auto-negotiation for gigabit connections. Use Cat6 or higher Ethernet cables for best performance. If you experience issues, power cycle the device by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Recent updates have improved compatibility with mesh Wi-Fi systems, reducing buffering. Under Settings Network Advanced, you can configure IP settings. DHCP is the default and recommended for most users. It automatically assigns IP settings from your router. If you need a static IP, select the static option and manually enter the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS server addresses. A static IP can be useful for consistent access within your home network or troubleshooting router conflicts. Remember to test your connectivity via the network status screen. The latest firmware allows toggling between DHCP and static IP without rebooting. The Xumo box now supports WPA3 for enhanced Wi-Fi security.